Welcome back, y'all. This is the Invested Dog. And today we are going to talk about a stock that I cannot pronunciate. I don't know how to say that. So we're going to be calling it X Quantum. And the reason why I want to talk about this stock is because every recession, the last 50 years, every recession we've had started with one thing. And before I get into all of that, before I get into the stock itself, breaking down everything, let's go into the history of it. If you want to know about the stock, just go straight to, 3 minutes. Go straight to 3 minutes. So X Quantum Technologies went public on the NASDAQ in March of 2026. That was right around the quarter. That was at the end of Q1. And it was talking about a merger with Crane Harbor Acquisition Corporation, raising $302 million. That is a lot of money. Imagine if you had $302 million sitting in your bank account. What would you do with that? What do they do? Q became the first public pure-play photonic quantum company in March of 2026 with major early investors like Omas Ventures. Following a massive share price increase in April, the company is reported rapid growth to almost 62 annually with a significant net loss, a common profile for pre-commercial tech. That is insane. Governments and industry support. X is negotiating for up to the Canadian dollar of 390 million for Project Optimism to build domestic quantum manufacturing in Canada. Why is quantum important? Quantum is important because everything related to AI, copper, EV, all of that is reliant on quantum. It is. And whether investors want to go straight to tech companies or invest in something that's a little bit more tangible, I think that this is an amazing investment. Q Quantum Technologies is a Canadian quantum computing hardware and software company headquartered in Toronto, Ontario. The company develops clouds, accessibility, phantom quantum computes, and develops open source software for quantum machines learning and simulating quantum fanatic devices. Everything, our future is going AI. There's a lot of people fighting with us on it, but our future is going AI. Let's go ahead and go straight to the stock. We are at the 3-minute mark already. And let's look at what they closed out at. They closed out at $29.10. And like I said, that was just on the first. $36.12, up 7% for 1 month. Oh my goodness. 1 month alone, up 381%. You cannot get that type of return on any other investment unless maybe you're going to like Goodwill and like maybe you got lucky and found a cashmere sweater or something, but you can't get that type of investment anywhere else. 6 months, up to 322%. Who's talking about this stock right now? There needs to be more people talking about this. 1 year, up 322%. 5 year, well, I guess technically we can't get into all of that because they just was released to the market. So the 1 year really doesn't count. But since they opened, that is a crazy increase for the stock market. Quantum to report the first quarter 2026 financial results coming May 14th, 2026. That's right around the corner. I cannot wait until this stock for their first quarter earnings comes out so that I can dive into it and let you guys know what my thought is on it. There's a lot of investors that are saying to buy. A lot of investors are saying it's a strong buy. There's some investors that are saying it's a hold. But guess what? There's no investor saying to sell. You don't see any red right there. There's none saying to sell. Analyst price targets, they think it's going to go for about $44. I'm thinking around the same thing. I think $44 is pretty safe to as your target there. I'm liking this stock. I am liking this. Earnings trends. Let's take a look at this. Earnings estimate. Okay. We'll see how all of this goes. Estimate of 1.43 million. We'll see. Next year estimate is about 9 million, almost 10 million. We're going to round up with a growth of 30%. We'll see how this stock turns out. And as always, let me know what you guys think about this stock. Let me know what other stocks you want me to do. And this is the Invested Dog signing off.